Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and staying indoors. So stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Keep doing your homework and keep yourself preparing for your board exams. Okay? So students, as of now in writing section, we have discussed all types of formal letters which come under your syllabus and article writing, and we also in my last video we discussed about how to write a creative story, how to develop a theme, how to develop a plot, and what type of language can be used in a story. So all about writing a story we discussed in the last video. So in this video we are going to go through some examples of story writing and which type of questions are asked in your examinations. We will be discussing about the same, and also we are going to practice some questions. Okay, so either you can take screenshots for the questions or you can pause the video and write down the questions for practice. And this is the last video of writing section. So at the end of this video I will once again revise so what we have studied, what we have learnt under this section. Okay, so let us begin. So let us go through some solve examples of story writing. So as in my last video I told you that in your examination stories can be asked in two ways. Either some outlines will be given, as you can see these are some outlines are given. So on the basis of these outlines you have to develop a story. Okay, and second type, some one or two starting lines are given. So and according to that starting line you have to complete the story. So we will be discussing, we will be practicing all types of solved examples, all two types of solved examples in today's video, and also we will be discussing all types of questions which are asked on the basis of story in your examination. Okay, so let us begin. So as you can see on the screen, some outlines are given. So on the basis of these outlines you have to develop a story. Raju dash, a foolish boy, woodcutter, like to be given plenty of attention, act of mischief, shouted, tiger, tiger, villagers came rushing, Raju laughed at them, Raju do it again, villagers get fooled again. After a few days a tiger came, Raju shouted, no one came to help. Raju thought Raju was joking, Raju helpless got killed by tiger. So you must have heard this story and you must have read this story in primary classes book. Okay, so this year also you can read the same story in third class English reader book. Okay, so once upon a time Raju was a boy, he was a shepherd. So he used to take his sheep to graze. Okay, so so one day he came upon an idea and he started shouting tiger, tiger, then villagers came, so on. You must have read this story and you must have heard this story. So now these are some outlines for the same have been given. So with the help of these outlines we have to develop a nice plot of the story. Okay, so let us go through the answer. So Raju was a foolish boy. He looked to be given plenty of attention and always seeking it. He was a woodcutter and would go into the jungle to cut trees. So one day he wanted to do a mischief. He shouted at the top of his voice, "There's tiger, there's a tiger." Many villagers came rushing to his aid, but on reaching, they found Raju laughing at them. So he was amused how easily they got duped, they got fooled. Raju repeated the act. The villagers once again turned up to his aid, but found out that Raju was joking again. The villagers vowed never to be made fun of by Raju again. After a few days, Raju was cutting wood when he saw a tiger. So he scrambled and scrambled for help, but no one showed up. Everyone thought that he was trying to fool them again, but when Raju's mother raised alarm that it was very late at night and he had not returned, they searched for him but found that he was killed by a tiger. Okay, so one thing here we missed here. In the beginning we have to give the title to the story. Okay, so what can be a suitable title to this story? A Foolish Boy. Okay, any suitable title you can give. A Foolish Boy. Okay, this is the title to this story. Okay, and writer's name is optional, whether you may write or may not write, it doesn't matter. So, A Foolish Boy, it is the title to this story. So after giving a title, so content, logical, develop a logical content, an interesting content. Okay, so your moral should be clear in the story. In order to make it more interesting, you can, at the end of the story, you can write the moral of the story. Okay, it will make your story more attractive and invites for good marks. Okay, moral: we should never tell a lie, isn't it? We should never tell a lie. Okay, if you add these two extra things, title and moral, you will get good marks in your examination. Okay students, so sometime it happens in the beginning we are unable to decide the title. So in that case you should do one thing. First write the story. Okay, leave the space for title in the beginning, leave 2 lines for the title. Okay, after finishing the story you can give your story to title. Give your story a title. Okay, after finishing a story, and at the end, so write moral. Okay, it will make your story more attractive. Okay students, next one here, questions for practice. So story for practice. Write the story in 150 to 200 words with the help of the following outlines. Give a suitable title and moral also, yes, which I told you. Okay, you must remember it. Whenever you start writing a story, first give a suitable title to your story and also write moral of the story in the end. Outlines are given. A little boy saying to his mother, a boy in the forest making fun of him, mocks at the boy, stutters after each statement, gets exasperated, jumped over the fence, searches into the forest, could not be found. Mother tells him, only an echo voice, a dog similar story. Mirror in the room, dies of exhaustion. These are some outlines. So on the basis of these outlines, you have to develop a nice content of the story. So first you have to give the title, then content, okay, and then moral. Next one, a farmer, Christopher, flood hill area, climbed onto the roof. Sorry. A rescue boat comes. Christopher tells, faith in Lord. Waves get higher, goes to very top. Another boat comes, still says the same. The water gets his feet wet. Helicopter scoops down. Christopher still has faith in God to save. Second one for practice. So you have to do the same. If you cannot decide the title in the beginning, so first write the content of the story and leave line in the beginning for the title. After finishing the story, you can decide the title. Okay, your title should be eye catching and interesting. Okay, so at the end of the story you must give the moral. Third one, in the corner, friendless, a tiny light appears, very small but light, stands and sends rays. Passerby remarks, you will be more use. God forsaken. Light says, not really. Don't shine to be seen. Other can be in the dark. Darkness hears, tries to put out the light, powerless against the light. Fourth one, outlines are, a villager named Raghav, a big city, saw shop, stood before a sweetmeat seller's shop, purchased sweets. Shopkeeper, wait, less than 2. Raghav said, a rupee less. The shopkeeper angrily, why make short? Payment, Raghav remarked, you will have to count less. Fifth one, a bee fall into a tank. A dove drops a large leaf into the water. The bee climbs on the leaf, flies away. A boy takes aims at dove. The bee stings. The dove are saved. Sixth one, a woodcutter cutting tree on the river bank. His axe falls into the river, prays to river god to give it back. River god appears, takes a golden axe out of water. Woodman says it is not his. Appears again with the silver axe. No, says woodcutter. Brings woodcutter iron axe. Yes, that is mine. River god, pleased with his honesty, gives him the other 2 axes also. You must have gone through this story in your nursery classes. Okay, so you must have heard this story of woodcutter. So the title you can give an honest woodcutter. 7th one, Rajiv and Hemant, two brothers, studied together. Returning from school, heard a cry, a kitchen trapped, rescued it, named Kitty. A kitten, not kitchen, beta. Sorry, it should be a kitten. Okay, so correct the spelling. Okay, it is kitten. 8th one, Dinkar, an 8-year-old boy, child labor, cracker factory, dreamed of school, NGO members, report police, 20 children rescued, sent to residential school. So it is a real story on the based on a report. John, tourist from Italy, visit India. Sorry, beta, it is also wrong here. It should be visit India or visited India. Okay, visited India or visits India. Lost belongings, fell in a trap, met school children and saved. 10th one, dark light, thunder and lightning, very scary, stranger knocked at the door, become friends. So these are the some outlines. On the basis of these outlines you will have to complete these stories. Okay, so this is first way. There are two ways of asking questions on story writing in your question paper. So question are given by two ways. First one, some outlines are given as you have seen in these 10 questions, and when solved examples some outlines have been given. So according to, after going through those outlines, you will have or you have to use those outlines in your story. So using these outlines you will have to write the story. Okay, so this is the first way for question on story writing. Okay, so one more way of question on writing story. One more way is asking the question on story writing. We are going to discuss now. So once again let me revise. You never forget to give title to your story. If you cannot decide a title in the beginning, so first you should write your story. You should write the content of your story. You should leave 2 lines in the beginning. Then whatever content you have written, according to content you decide the title and give title to your story. Second thing, never forget to write the moral at the end. Okay, so title and moral, two things are very important, and outlines have been given, and these you have to use these outlines in your story. Okay, and develop a nice content of the story. Okay, now second way of asking questions on story, you can see here, as I have told you that either some outlines are given or some starting lines of the story are given. So after going through these starting lines you have to complete the story. Okay, so either some outlines will be given in your question paper or some beginning lines will be given in your question paper. Okay, so now it is the second type. for asking questions on story writing. So you can see here, look at the first one. Some beginning lines are given. So after going through these beginning lines, you have to develop a content. Okay, so Jasmine, Ali and two other friends decided to go on a picnic to a beach. They packed their bags and were quite excited. So they reached the picnic spot and came across a small child who was crying. Okay, so now you have to develop the story. Further, you have to complete the story. It should be 150 to 200 words. Okay, second one, on October 4, we all were decorating our house to celebrate the most long awaited festival, Diwali. My heart was filled with excitement to meet my father after a long gap of 6 years. But a call from the army headquarters left us stunned. So, as you all belong to army background, so you can write this story in a better way using some logical content. Okay, third one, you are sitting with your friends on a log near a stream. One of the friends look up at the sky and says, now you will have to finish the story, complete the story. Raman, fourth one, Raman was going through the jungle when he heard a cry from the deep dark pit nearby. He ran in the direction of the cry, and when he reached the spot, then you have to complete the story. Fifth one, Radha was an intelligent girl. She always had a creative solution to the day-to-day problems. One day her mother asked her to. Now you will have to complete this story and finish. Okay. Sixth one, Raghu was known in his class for all the wrong reasons. He used to bunk classes, bully fellow students, and even snatch their pocket money from them. So one day what happened? You will have to complete this story. Seventh one, Monu was surprised to see the stranger in his room. He shouted to call his parents, but nobody responded. Suddenly he saw. Now you will have to finish this story. Look at the eighth one. It was getting dark. Anil and his friends were relaxing after a tiresome football match. All other players had left for their home. They were also thinking of leaving when suddenly they saw a large soccer-shaped object hovering in the sky. So now you will have to finish this interesting story. Ninth one, Arman was not doing well in his studies recently. When the teacher asked him about the reason of his declining performance, he started crying and told the teacher that some of the classmates made fun of him. So also this story is having a very important moral. So you should give it a logical content to your story. It should be given some logical points, some valid points. Okay, and it happens in your classroom also. Mostly students make fun of other student, and due to that they feel depressed. Okay, so you must write moral at the end of the story. 10th one, Matthew's father was a strict disciplinarian and had a strict code of conduct in his life and house. One day, Matthew, who was 14 years old, came home sporting a new haircut, which his father did not like. He got very angry when he saw Matthew. Now, also you have to complete the story on the basis of these 3-4 lines. You have to develop a nice content to the story. So as beta, in my all videos, since when I have started making videos on writing section, so I have been telling you, you need not to be afraid of the number of questions, as many students in online classes and in WhatsApp group, they are asking, sir, we have to attempt all the questions. Yes beta, you have to attempt all the questions, but not in one day. Okay, simply do 2 questions in one day, complete your work. This is the last video of writing section and it is 27th May today. So I want you to complete your work till 29th May. Complete your work means you have to write 2 letters to editor, 2 ordering letters, 2 complaining letters, 2 letters making inquiries. Okay, 2 articles and 2 stories. Okay, so complete it till 29th of May or 30th of May. Okay, because the last video before summer vacation will be uploaded on 30th May. So after that your summer vacation will start. So till 30th May complete this much. During your summer vacation you will have time, so practice all the exercises of letters, articles and story. Okay, so it's your summer, you can say your summer vacation work, your holiday homework. Okay, so the remaining letters, the remaining articles, the remaining stories will be your summer holidays homework. Okay beta, so this is the last video of writing section. In writing section we have covered all types of letters, all types of formal letters which come under your syllabus, all types of articles and all types of stories. Okay, if you will practice seriously the questions which have been given in exercises, so I am sure you will get good marks in your board examination. Okay beta, so must go through the format, must note down the format, must note down the opening line and closing lines, must note down the important points to remember for writing a letter, for writing an article, for writing a story, must go through the solved examples and must go through the all exercises. Okay, so this is all about writing section. In my next video from 28th and 29th and 30th May, so I am going to start the next chapter in your footprints without feet in that textbook. Okay, so I hope you people act upon my advice and will practice whatever is being whatever are being given. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video.